Things people ask about upper cervical and how it helps migraines is why does it help? And a lot of it really comes down to a box in your brain. Now, we have a lot of different centers in our brain that perceive different things. Some perceive balance, some perceive taste, some perceive sight. There's even one for headaches. There are a number of nerves that actually come in that lead to what we perceive as being a headache, or even in a severe case, migraines. So in the first case of the three major inputs, we have three right here that are coming in from our face. Now, no one ever said I could write. They call this the trigeminal nerve. And you don't need to worry about that so much as you need to realize that it's the face that is where that comes from. So if you had pain on your face, you can actually, or you perceive that you have pain on your face, you can actually get yourself what your brain thinks is a headache. That's number one. Number two is actually, very surprisingly, your upper neck. Inputs from C1, C2, and C3, what we call upper cervical. So for a lot of people, you have direct inputs into this box, which is actually a trigeminal nucleus box, that actually perceives as headaches. So what does that mean? That means you can have a bone out of place in your neck that is actually leading to your headaches. You can even have something going out of place, like a TMJ issue with your templar mandibular joint, pops, clicks, isn't aligned properly. That can also cause a headache. Folks, there's one more that people don't realize and think about. Yet if you've had a migraine, if you've had a headache, it's the one you said, hey, Dr. Schurger, you're missing this one. It's your stomach. You get those things that you eat that just set your migraines off. And sure enough, that also comes into this box and gives you a headache. So here's the thing. Most people, they'll address the face stuff because they look at themselves in the mirror every day. You know what things set yourself off that you eat and give you a migraine. You don't eat those anymore, do you? But do you know if you have an upper cervical subluxation, a bone out of place in your neck causing pressure on the nerves that are actually feeding into that box causing headaches? That's something that we can help here. So if you have any questions, send us an email. We'll be more than happy to see if we can help you.